Today we are going to discuss about the simple secret behind how airplanes fly. Have you ever stopped to consider the sheer size and weight of a commercial airplane? Some of these metal giants weigh as much as 100 elephants. It's a truly staggering amount of mass. Yet, despite their immense weight, they soar effortlessly through the sky. This isn't magic or some kind of fantastical power, but rather the result of ingenious engineering and fundamental principles of science. The real secret to flight lies in the design of the wings and the way they interact with the air around us. It's a delicate dance between physics and aerodynamics. The main idea behind flight is a fundamental force called lift. This is the key to understanding how these massive machines defy gravity. An airplane's wings are specifically designed to create an upward force known as lift that directly opposes and ultimately overcomes the force of gravity pulling it down. Without sufficient lift, planes would remain firmly planted on the ground, unable to achieve the miracle of flight. So the crucial question is, how exactly do wings generate this essential force of lift? What is it about their shape that allows them to defy gravity? It's all about the unique shape of the wing, its curvature, and how it interacts with the air as it moves through the atmosphere. As a plane accelerates forward, its wings act as a divider, splitting the oncoming airstream into two distinct paths. One portion of the air flows smoothly over the curved top surface of the wing, while the other stream travels underneath. The wing's carefully engineered curved shape is absolutely key to this process, forcing the air to behave in a very specific and advantageous way. To get a sense of this, think about sticking your hand out of a moving car window. Now, slightly tilt your hand upwards. You'll immediately feel the air pushing against it, creating an upward force. That's essentially lift in action, on a smaller scale. Airplane wings are expertly and meticulously designed by engineers to maximize this lifting effect, optimizing the curvature and angle of attack for peak performance. This ingenious design is what allows everything from the smallest sparrows to the largest jumbo jets to gracefully conquer the skies. So, the next time you see a plane soaring through the air, remember that it's not magic, but rather the power of invisible science at work, defying gravity and enabling us to fly. Let's take a closer look at the cross-section of an airplane wing. Understanding this shape is key to understanding how planes fly. This special shape is called an airfoil. It's a carefully engineered form designed to interact with the air in a specific way. Notice how the top surface is curved, while the bottom is flatter. This asymmetry is crucial. This difference in curvature gives the airfoil a streamlined, almost teardrop-like shape. This design forces the air moving over the top to travel a longer distance, making it move faster. The air moving underneath has a shorter distance to travel, so it moves slower. According to Bernoulli's principle, faster-moving air exerts lower pressure. Therefore, there's lower pressure above the wing and comparatively higher pressure below the wing. This pressure difference creates an upward force. The higher pressure underneath literally pushes the wing up, and this upward force is lift. It's what counteracts gravity. Every plane from the smallest of gliders to the largest jumbo jets carrying hundreds of passengers relies on this clever airfoil shape to generate lift. So next time you see a plane flying overhead, take a moment to remember that it's the airfoil's ingenious pressure difference that keeps it aloft. This simple yet brilliant design is truly the foundation upon which modern flight is built. The airfoil cleverly transforms ordinary air into the extraordinary force that lifts us skyward, defying gravity. And that's the fundamental science working behind the scenes during every single takeoff you witness. Wings are essential for flight, and they achieve this in more ways than one. Wings also create lift. They do this by pushing air down, a crucial aspect of how an aircraft maintains its altitude. This principle is elegantly explained thanks to Newton's third law, which states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This fundamental law of physics is key to understanding lift. The wing's tilt, relative to the oncoming airflow, is called the angle of attack, and this angle is carefully designed to push air downward as the plane moves forward through the atmosphere. So, what's the reaction to this downward push? The air, in turn, pushes the wing upward, creating lift, the force that counteracts gravity. It's a concept easily visualized with a simple paper airplane, where its angled wings push air down as it moves forward, allowing it to glide gracefully instead of simply dropping to the floor. Birds, masters of the sky, do the same, skillfully angling their wings to generate lift and stay aloft effortlessly. Both the pressure difference created by the airfoil shape and the downward push from the wing's angle of attack work in harmony. These two aerodynamic effects combine synergistically to generate the powerful lift necessary to overcome gravity's relentless pull. That's the fundamental principle that allows planes and birds to soar high above the ground. The underlying science is remarkably simple, but the resulting feats of aviation are truly spectacular and awe-inspiring. Lift, therefore, is the essential force that keeps us flying, defying gravity, and opening up the skies. Now that you know the science of lift, you'll see it everywhere, from birds to paper planes to jumbo jets. The principles are the same. Shaped wings create lift by manipulating air. Jumbo jets just need bigger wings and more powerful engines. Engines provide thrust, pushing the plane forward so wings can generate lift. Thrust must overcome drag, the air resistance that slows planes down. Once moving fast enough, the wings lift the plane off the ground. It's a team effort. Engines and wings working together. Next time you fly, remember, you're experiencing physics in action. Understanding flight reveals the wonder behind every takeoff. The sky isn't a limit, it's a destination made possible by the science of lift. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.